We are honored to have with us a member of the University at Buffalo Council. The UB Council serves as the primary oversight and advisory body of the University at Buffalo and its president and senior officers. Representing the UB Council is Ms. June Hayflick. She most recently served as the president and chief executive officer of Sheehan Memorial Hospital. Thank you for joining us today. Today, we are especially honored to have with us UB's 15th president, Satish K. Tripathi, to offer some remarks to us today, as well as to confer degrees. Dr. Tripathi became UB's president in April of this year. President Tripathi is internationally recognized as an accomplished researcher and transformative higher education leader. He served as UB's provost and executive vice president for academic affairs from 2004 to 2011, and was one of the principal creators of the UB 2020 strategic plan to achieve academic and research excellence. President Tripathi.
On behalf of the entire University at Buffalo community, congratulations to the School of Public Health and Health Professions class of 2011. We are here today to celebrate you, our graduates, on this great milestone in your personal, professional, and academic lives. This year we mark our 165th annual commencement season, a key milestone for UB. Although UB has changed dramatically over the years, our mission has not. That mission is simply this: to make the world a better place. You're taking your place in a long line of UB graduates dedicated to changing the world. But while many others have come before you, you will advance UB's mission in ways no one has ever imagined. Oscar Wilde once remarked that to expect the unexpected, show a thoroughly modern intellect. And that is exactly what UB graduates have taught us over the past 165 years, to expect our alumni to contribute to the world in ways that are entirely unexpected. On June 16, 1847, Millard Fillmore, the 13th President of the United States and the first Chancellor of our university, addressed the 18 members of the first graduating class of this institution, then a private small medical college known as University of Buffalo, praising those graduates as the first fruits of literary and scientific vineyard. President Fillmore added, "I trust they are only samples of a more abundant harvest that is to be annually gathered hereafter." Today, looking out at this outstanding group of graduates, I can state without a doubt that President Fillmore's vision of a more abundant harvest has indeed come to fruition. But I'm willing to bet that President Fillmore never could have envisioned just how abundant and diverse this harvest would be. From that very small private college, UB has grown into a major internationalized public research university of some 29,000 students, a flagship of the State University of New York system, and a proud member of the prestigious Association of American Universities. And so, for all the high hopes and great expectations that came with our first commencement, no one could have foreseen in 1847 just how much that fledgling institution could one day grow and how far its reach would extend beyond the Buffalo city limits. Over the years, the School of Public Health and Health Professions has played an instrumental role in extending that reach. Consider just a few of the ways that our public health and health creates and creates and applies knowledge in innovative ways to make a lasting difference locally as well as globally. Through the preventive health and wellness clinic and resources that the school provides to our Western New York community, through an innovative partnership with Blue Cross and Blue Shield to develop alternative treatment for serious obesity, and through pioneering faculty research in critical areas of rehabilitation medicine and assistive technology for people with disabilities. All of these contributions enrich the world around us in ways that no one could have imagined when UB was founded in 1846. In a world that is always changing and never predictable, our School of Public Health and Health Professions provide the technologies, tools, skills, and innovative ideas to keep pace with every unexpected new challenge and each unforeseen new opportunity. As a student of this school, you have played an active part in this process. And now, as alumni, it will be up to you to determine how will you use your UB education to continue to change our world for the better. What kind of innovative solutions will you find to age-old or brand-new public health challenges? What new medical treatments will you help develop? What kind of changes will you help implement in national healthcare policy? What unexpected difference will you make in the world? It is impossible to predict the answers to all these questions. But one thing is certain: wherever you go from here, we are confident you will pursue UB's mission in ways that create unexpected new possibilities and open new doors of discovery. After all, we are counting on you to pave the way for the future generation of UB graduates who will one day follow your footsteps across the stage. My sincerest congratulations to our graduates on all you have contributed and achieved in service to the public good, and best wishes for all the unexpected contributions we know you will make as UB alumni. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, President Tripathi. Is Al? There's Al. I want to also welcome Al Cafiero to our ceremony. He's sitting over there in the corner. Actually, you might have noticed that the first to applaud were our students in physical therapy, who owe a lot to Al. Al's been a very close supporter of the school in many fashions. For several years, we've recognized Al's contributions. He is simply a great friend of the school. Thanks for being here, Al. Note, we have a professional photographer. She's sitting down here at the moment. Raise your hand a little bit higher. She'll be taking pictures during the ceremony, after the ceremony. Feel free to ask her to take a picture of you with your families and friends. She does a great job at that. Don't be shy about it. We'll be posting them on the SPHHP website. Now, think School of Public Health and Health Professions, SPHHP. If you Google that, you get to the school's webpage. If you go to our webpage, you'll see a Facebook button that you can click and get to our Facebook page. You'll see a YouTube button that you could click. There is a lot of information about the school. You will find testimonials from students based on their experiences in the school. You will see high-quality videos describing our programs. You will see fun things as well. YouTube, Facebook, our webpage are important windows into what goes on in the school, and I encourage you to visit them. Note in your programs there was a little photograph. Now, that's in there to show you a sample of some of the great pictures that you can get for free. They'll be available on the Facebook page, on the web page in about a week. When we were contacting people to get permission to use these photographs, a couple of them said, "Oh, I'd like a copy of that photograph. I didn't know you had that photograph." Really come back to the Facebook page, tag it, tag the photos, say you like the page. Note also that in our commitment to engaging social media, engaging the public and students in what we do, we have people tweeting right now in this room. So connect with the school. This hall is filled with friends and families who have supported the students and who are graduating today. I ask the degree candidates to stand and offer a round of applause for their supporters out there in this hall. Thank you. Behind me on this stage are representatives of the faculty who have taught today's degree candidates. I'll point out we've got award-winning teachers back here in this faculty, and the students can attest to the high quality of the teaching in the school. I again ask the scholars to applaud the faculty on stage who cared so much about their education. Thank you. I want to offer my own best wishes to the candidates and my hope that you will stay connected with the school. There are 4 pillars of a great school, and excellent and engaged students are one of them. A caring faculty is another one, a supportive staff. There are a lot of staff who've been involved with producing this event. And alums who keep involved and who help spread the good word about the school. They do it by excellence in what they do with their degrees and their willingness to help promote the future of the School of Public Health and Health Professions. Today, you become our newest alums, and your staying connected to the school is important to us. For example, we will need to do surveys on what you've been doing and what you value from your experience in our programs. Just as your evaluation of our classes, which you've done a great job in the past few years, just as they help us improve and help us make the school better, your ongoing evaluation of the school once you get out is still important to strengthening the school.